During Dasara, lightings are icing on the cake. The whole city dazzles with colorful and vibrant lights. Mysuru Palace lit up with lakhs of lights is truly a sight to behold. People from far and wide come here to enjoy this sight. Palace lightings are not limited for Dasara. It illuminates on weekends and government holidays too. There are a few interesting facts behind the palace lightings. These lights were installed during 1942, which is during the period of Jaichamaraj Wadiyar. Bulb holders are installed on wooden planks. There are around 1 lakh bulbs throughout the palace. 30-watt bulbs were used in the beginning. Then it was 20 volts and now it is 15 volts. There are 3 different switches for palace and gates. There are 3 staff who switch on the lights at a time, which creates an amazing sight. In order to provide unlimited electricity for the palace, there are 2 transformers of 1000 kV and 2 transformers of 500 kV. Sources say that the palace board pays around 77 lakh rupees electricity bill per month to CESC. If we see from far, these lights looks like mere serial sets. But very few people care to notice these bulbs in detail. Another special fact is that these lights doesn't produce shadows. There was a proposal to upgrade these incandescent bulbs to LED bulbs. However, the plan was dropped because white lights can never appear as rich as golden ones. Subscribe to Visit Mysuru and press the bell icon to never miss a new video.